Mishi from Mishiworld. Today I'm going to show you how to make some pottery cups. You can make them for your mother or father. One is Father's Day or Mother's Day as a nice gift. You can buy this set at Michael's. If you don't have a Michael's close by, you can get an ordinary cup and some ceramic paints. This set comes with a cup, some beautiful paints, and a paintbrush. So let's get started. Finish the painting, you need to bake it in the oven before you wash it or put tea in it. If you liked my channel, subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye!